looks at the ear.
Exhibit.
Tudo aqui. Tudo pode acontecer errado. Vamos lá.
Hi, welcome to our Hawaii vlog. This is our Hawaii trip, Rebecca's Sweet 16. It is 8:40 in the morning. Our flight leaves at 12 and we are leaving soon. And I'm so excited. Our whole family is going, plus a few family friends and Becca's friends as well. So hope you enjoy this vlog with us. I'm gonna divide it into two. I'm gonna do one Maui and like travel day vlog and then another vlog in Big Island. So we're gonna be gone from today until August 29th.
June. June. We're coming back next June.
We're coming back next June, guys. Secret. All right. See you there. Go Becca, go Becca, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear Becca, happy birthday to you. We landed in Denver, Colorado.
It's not good. I watched Prison Break. Bro, they're killing off every good character.
Hi! Hi, Johnny.
Hi.
Going to get food. Do you know what you're gonna eat?
Chicken fillet, I believe.
Oh, how was your flight?
It was great, great.
Good, good.
Slept like
I slept through the entire time.
You
I
guys
slept through the
slept.
entire
Hi, obviously we made it. We got such an empty plane. I took a couple of clips. It's so empty. Me and Vic are sitting in a row of three, just us. I got a window seat. Everyone's happy. People are moving all over the plane because there's space for everyone. But yeah, even like my grandma and everything, they all get to sit with whoever they wanted. So yeah. We made it to Maui Airport. We're all heading to the bathroom now, and we're in one piece. We've never been here, so we gotta get our bags and things like that. We're all really excited and tired. It's 1 a.m. in Jersey, so pray for us. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Becca. Happy birthday to you. Imagine fitting luggage for 14 people inside 3 cars, and then food for everyone for like a week in these cars. This is to feed
Africa.
This could not go on the internet.
This kid, bro.
Yeah, we went to the Walmart.
Wait, let me see. No, I actually don't look that tired, but I'm like dying right
No,
now.
Becca looks like she wants to murder everyone. Julia thinks that everything is hilarious.
Yeah, by
And it was
any
raining
chance-
earlier.
by any
Imagine if it was
chance-
raining now. We got a Jeep, we got a Camaro, and then a Ford. Very adorable, very fun. This is for my future self. When we think that traveling is fun. Traveling is fun, okay?
Not the beginning though.
I did not remember it being this exhausting, bro. It is 4:30 a.m. in New Jersey. In Hawaii, it's like, I don't even know, 10:30. Everybody's tired. We got to the house.
Everyone's
The heat,
Julia's on crack. Everyone's
it feels like the heaters are on.
almost cracked. It's
So first off, coffee.
Hola,
It's called
Akamai.
Akamai Coffee on Maui.
What's up, y'all?
We are going, so in my dad's words, we're gonna drive around and see where we want to stop. Okay, this view is beautiful, but it's so windy. I feel like I'm gonna fly off this railing and into the ocean. So this is a whale spot, I guess, in the winter, but right now it's just a very pretty picture spot. So we are at a random resort. We went to the beach here. That beach was the most beautiful beach I've ever seen. It was so nice, right? So pretty. And the lighting here, look how nice. Everything's just so happy here. So we're gonna get changed. See you back home. Someone help me.
Gente, eu não aguento. Emoção.
I'm gone. I'm just gone.
Gigi, your clothes are actually good. Our clothes were not good. You're gonna be no, this is the bad pillow. Rachel has a good pillow over there.
No, I don't.
No, she doesn't.
Guys, she has the whole bed for herself. Can I just say that?
Hi. We're outside. Let me show you the fit. It's really cute. I'm proud of it. My hokas. Anyways, we are going to Road to Hana. If you know anything about Road to Hana, it's a lot of stops. If you thought we made a lot of stops yesterday, we're gonna make more stops today. And yeah, woke up this morning. I woke up at 4:30. I did make a clip, and I did my soap outside and my devotional, and I prayed, and then I FaceTimed Leia, my friend, and it was great. Because in Jersey it's like 11, 12 o'clock. Now in Jersey it's 1 o'clock. But yeah, it is early here, 6:30 here. Well, 7 o'clock here. So yeah, that's the vibe. Boy, this is falling. Yeah, I'm really excited. We're gonna swim in some waterfalls, and I'll see you around.
Olha aqui! Vocês não estão ganhando, eu tô. Meu bem!
We're gonna be driving with each other for like 7 hours.
My dad just said,
We're
"Oh,
gonna
be
be
prepared
so
to drive for
tired.
7 hours."
We're gonna like hate each other.
We're going to Rotana. Rotana is only 2 hours, but you stop a lot. I think that's what you do.
Twin Falls, aqui, já estamos aqui.
Hi, we are hiking to Twin Falls. Shorter drive than I expected, but we're doing good. After the rain in the car, surprised it didn't rain here. But yeah.
Oh,
Good so far.
tudo aqui, né? Tudo pode acontecer errado. Vamos lá.
Podrão. Olha, a tábua tava tudo muito nojento. Meu Deus. Aqui, tem gente sanitária ali, você usou?
Neguinha, eu não toquei em nada.
Sim, vai. Olha, a gente começou a andar, a outra tá vomitando e a outra caiu. Gente, nós não andamos nenhum metro, tá?
Vai quando cai, cai bonito.
Acho que não faz. Nós não andamos um metro.
My grandma just. Guys, this is gonna be our one visit because 4 hours.
We're not gonna do this.
Dude,
Gonna get out of here.
we went to the bathroom. My grandma was throwing up because she was smelling it from like afar, and she was throwing up. And then we came to the trail. My other grandma falls. 2 seconds. The entrance is right there. So it's pouring rain. I don't know if you could tell. It's pouring. And it wasn't scheduled any rain today. Yeah, I'm coming. We're taking pictures though. It's still very fun. Just not as planned. This is insane. I'm coming. Every video I take, my mom's asking me to take a photo. This is where I get it from. Register it right here. Tem que passar no rio pra chegar no outro lado.
Ela dava pro Rony. Pra mim é melhor ficar dentro do mato com esse tempo do que com sol quente. Sol quente onde desistir com o Rony.
We're walking back from Twin Falls. Beautiful. It's just really crowded, so we got here early, so we got beat the crowd. But yeah, good day so far. Pouring rain, everything. Whoa, falling on the rocks the whole time. But yeah, we're chilling. We're all snacking. Oi, walking back. Oh, the mud. Look at this. Is it good?
Já me tocaram no meio da frente.
Aí, me grude.
Dude, so we're like walking back to get back to the car and go to our next stop. We're hiking back, and I'm not even kidding. There's a sign of like private property, everything. They see a fruit that they like on a tree, they all start screaming and running to like the tree.
Vai, cara, peguei isso pra você, exclusivamente pra você.
We're back to the car.
Cadê o
Rain,
barrigudinho? Cadê o barrigudinho?
rain, everything.
What's up, y'all? Day 3.
Absolutely
What is
wild.
it? Day 3?
Que sapato que não tem um spare dele?
Hey guys, I'm in the convertible now. I'm officially cool girl. I have Becca all to myself because I miss her all the time. And my dad downloaded this audio map thing that talks apparently all about Hana.
So starting from LA, they would actually sail due south for quite...
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Becca. Happy birthday to you. Hi, we're back in the convertible. So we stopped at this little place to get my mom coffee because it's like 3 p.m. and she's like dying. She's gonna have coffee. And it's pouring rain. So like the tour thing that my dad's been listening to said that it rains here the most because of the winds and whatever. So as you can see, I went to this store where she had handmade jewelry, handmade wood art, and handmade like pottery from
Glass stuff.
from
So beautiful.
so handmade stuff from artists here in Hana. So I got this ring, hammered. She said it was hammered gold.
Ela tá num diet, ele falou, já comeu demais, tá muito gordo.
Wet. That's how I feel. It's rained way too much, bro. But it's nice.
Vou derrubar o coco com a castanha, hein, ó.
The saga continues.
Ó, todo mundo acreditou, saiu de baixo, olha, o coco tem pé, olha. Tá vendo? Ó. Singing my heart out.
Hi, it is currently like 9 o'clock at night, but we're going to bed because tomorrow morning's another 5 a.m. morning, and we had a really, really long day. So Rotana was great. The one thing I would say about it is be prepared to stop a lot and have an idea of where you're going, where you want to go, and know that there's no Wi-Fi on like the whole road. So like you really need like a tour guide, like an audio tour guide, like my dad got, because then he knew, the tour guide knew where we were, had our location, blah blah. There's no way that you'll be able to navigate well in there without anything, unless you're like a genius.
Yeah, and recognize that the bigger your group, the longer it's gonna take. So
Yeah. We just had
Vai
dinner.
lavar umas roupas agora, biquíni, pela 500th vezes desse trip de 2 dias a Bob já lavou.
We'll probably literally
roupa
made like
15
5 loads of
vezes.
clothes already. And I will see you. Now, supposed to be leaving now. This is the situation of everyone. I'm eating myself. Good morning, vlog. It's dark outside, and I'm already ready to leave. I don't know if I'm ready. That means that we're ready. I need some time to process in the morning, so I like to wake up to be alone first and then do whatever I have to do. Bom dia, are we ready? Tá pronto? Olia's dream. Snorkel in Hawaii. We're checking into our thing now. And that's about it. Hi, I feel like I haven't recorded anything for the vlog, so we're at the pool. We came home after the shop. We had lunch and my grandma's made for us. Now we're here at the pool, tanning, doing fun things. And yeah, I'll keep you updated on what we end up doing. But yeah, it looks like we're gonna have a more chill local afternoon and nighttime. I'll see you.
I brought some. Oh my god.
Isn't that the song from Black Panther? That's from Black Panther. And SZA. Yeah. You never knew that was from Black Panther?
I want to see my brother eat that entire thing. Wait, which way?
So my heart's desire is being realized, and we are getting shaved ice. Peace and love shaved ice. Everybody's been saying it's the best one on Maui, so we're going.
My waist already feels snatched from eating shaved ice after 4 plates.
The amount of syrup that's in that shaved ice is not gonna snatch you. Happy birthday, dear Becca. Happy birthday to you. We're in the car. We woke up like very early in the morning.
On the bend to the right just ahead, you'll see the clearing, and that's the parking area for
We
the
are
White
in.
White
Can you
Ridge
put that
Trail.
down?
Unlike many other hikes
We're on
on the
road to Hana.
this is
Sun
purely
is
a
rising
forest trail rather than
somewhere.
a waterfall walk.
Yeah, we're going. Where are we going? Pronounce.
National Park.
See you there. So road to Hana is all twisty roads, very narrow.
Aí já é mais calmo ontem, vocês não acharam? Hoje tá meio aventurado isso.
Goiaba!
Ai, meu Deus. Tá bom, não preciso desse. Wow, wait, put it back to me. My clothes are fire.
Time to go swimming.
Hey guys, when we get the club, great big trees, big trees.
We're looking for Wi-Fi. Nothing. What are those things for if they're not for Wi-Fi?
Exactly.
My dad's at the fruit market. There was Wi-Fi over there at the gas station. He's just eating all the fruits. No way! Y'all got a message. I'm gonna have maracujá. What's up, guys?
Hey guys.
I ate a banana.
Oh,
She
almost.
almost a banana. I drank all my water.
I haven't finished my coffee.
Don't look at that. We're at the mountain right now with no Wi-Fi. You're 1 bar, guys. Check the bars.
Nothing.
Oh. I have 1 bar, guys.
My phone.
SOS.
guys, so we're playing
A fun game.
Yes.
Because there's no Wi-Fi here. Hey guys, we are in National Park in Maui. So it took us a bajillion hours to get here. Well, what time is it? 12 o'clock. It's exactly 12 o'clock. And we left the house at like 5 a.m. So we've been out for a minute and we finally made it here.
Hulu district.
What she said.
The other side, this is the rainforest nature
Yes,
side.
and the other side is the dry beach side. Basically, right now we're hiking to see the 7 pools, 7 sacred pools. And then we're gonna go to another hike, which is a longer hike and harder hike. And yeah, that's what's good, right, Maya? Are you excited to hike?
Oh, yes.
What was your favorite stop so far?
Aquela cachoeira, qual era o nome dela? Pucacacá.
Okay, the last one that we went to, the biggest one.
Não, aquela eu nadei.
Oh, never mind, the one we swam in.
Ah, eu gostei da última também.
Okay, she likes all of them. Daddy, what was your favorite thing so far in the Rotahana today?
The waterfall we went to.
No, the fruits.
What about the fruits?
Oh, no, yes.
He bought all the fruits.
All the fruits. I can't buy them all. Eat them
And
all.
what about the pigs? And we fed pigs, baby
No,
pigs.
the best one? I don't know.
Also, we all had caffeine, so even Yoselin was like bouncing a little, you know, a little pep in her step. Look at her. She's like, what are you talking about, Rachel? I don't do that. But yeah, that's it. We'll see you around sometime on this hike. Mwah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Guys.
Esse é ensaiado.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Happy birthday to you.
Você só pode ver do...
You ever been in a bamboo forest? Thought so. Me neither. Sounds like someone's playing strange drums. Hi vlog, we are on our way back. We went all the way to the mega big, extra large, super tall waterfall. That's what I'm gonna call it because I don't know what it's called. When we got there, we ate our sandwiches and it was very chill, very pretty. Our hiking back, obviously. We got a little bit of rain when we got there, so we're all a little like rained up, but always fun. There was like a stream that came out of the waterfall that we hung out in, which was also nice. We got so much time to walk left. And he's shaking all the bamboo on. Look at this. Okay, bye. Vida sing. Aí. My dad is crying right now. There's all these people in front of us.
Agora é procissão.
They're so slow, and my dad wants to go fast. So he's trying to get them to stop.
No, look at this guy. He's really chilling his way back. Oh, look at that. How
He's really enjoying the view. Like really, really, really.
Because there's this driver that's been like in front of us, and he goes really, really fast, and he's in a pickup truck, and he's like really cool. He's definitely local or something, because he's going really fast on Rotahana, and like there's so many curves, like you need to watch out and go very slow. We're having a great time, but we keep trying to catch up to him, because he gets stuck behind a tourist, because they drive really slow. Obviously, my dad doesn't drive so easy. But we're following him, so he passes the people we pass with him. The locals are allowed to like pass tourists, because you know they're used to the road, or like they know how to drive better.
Ele não tá obedecendo as curvas. Agora eu tô vendo porque que ele vai rápido assim. Ele entra na contramão pra não precisar de ficar fazendo too much.
Paro Pala. The playa.
A la playa. Hello.
Hello. So tell them, what did we do after we followed that guy in the Rotahana? Ice cream?
Oh yeah. We got ice cream and then
We go boring
That
without
was
racing the guy.
Racing was the best.
Yeah, you were doing really, really slow, respectful
I
driving.
did a racing on road to Hannah. Don't tell anyone.
Hi, so I know I haven't vlogged, hey Joe, but that's because we've been busy. So after we came back from the hiking, we went to a quick sunset at the beach, went for a swim, and then we changed and we went to like coconut something. I had coconut shrimp and chips. She was dead, I'm dead, we're all dead. And the fact of the matter is, tomorrow 10 a.m. we have to be out of here and we are island hopping in the afternoon. So we have to pack everything up. Right now, all I can think about is going to sleep. A long ass day. But yeah, very happy. Surely I'll rate this day out of 10. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Hi, we are eating at Java's Cafe. Look at this. This is us saying the days of the week in a British accent. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And returned the rental car and we're going to the airplane to go to Big Island. Can't believe our trip is almost halfway over. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Dad.